So my mental health hasn't been the best, which is why I haven't uploaded in like 3 weeks, and also I've had problems with my internet, so if you can't tell by the haircut, I'm doing great. So, today, because I've been in such a slump, creating things has been kind of hard for me, and I just kind of want to show off what my adorable pup can do, because he's got lots of chicks. I put so much energy and effort into him. And I want to show you all of the cute things that he can do. So that's what today's video is. For anyone who's having a bad mental health day, watch this, it might cheer you up. I hope it does. Cool. Let's get to it. It's his lunchtime. He knows he's here, he's waiting. Says mama, it's lunchtime. Let's do it. Okay. Good boy. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Speak. Good boy. Sit. Quiet. Quiet. Speak. Good boy. Spin. 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 Good boy. Middle, good boy. Sit. Stay. Yeah. Tippy. Good boy. Off. Good off. Up, up. Good boy. Off. Good off. Beep it. Good boy. Beep it. Last one. Sit. Oh. Come back. Quiet. Speak. 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 Good boy. It's free. It's free. And that, I think, is all of his tricks. I think there's probably more that I forgot to do today, but he's a clever puppy. I can go hide in different rooms and he'll come find me, and he'll sit and stay the whole time until I call him, which is great. He's a clever puppy. Hey, my honey. He's so clever. He's so clever. Alright, cool, but that's it for this video. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought of it down in the comment section below. If you want to see more videos of packs, I'm happy to do them always. Anyway, if you want to support me on this channel, then please subscribe. I love you all. Happy New Year, and I'll see you in the next